You've all heard the commentators and pundits. You know how important the 2008 election is. That's why nurses around the country are uniting to support candidates who support safe staffing and other issues which affect all nurses and their patients.
Cold night in the state of Iowa. Nurses are in the basement of an office making calls for a candidate that they believe is supporting them on their nursing issues, which is critically important to every nurse in this country, not just nurses in Iowa. As a registered nurse, making sure that patients have access to quality care is of utmost importance.
We all have that intrinsic value that we want to help people, we want to make life better, we want to make people feel better.
You know, together with nurses who are not yet union, nurses across the state, across the country, we joined together on an agenda to make hospitals safe places with safe staffing and good for patients and good for nurses.
And you can't have a change in the healthcare system unless you involve the healthcare providers that give the care. Nurses know best what it's going to take to be able to take care of patients and actually deliver the type of care that patients deserve, along with doctors and the entire healthcare team. So when you talk about healthcare reform and providing the highest quality care, you have to have nurses in the conversation.
You know, nobody really escapes the care of a nurse. You always, at some point in your life, are going to need a nurse to care for you. And we have to do it in a safe way. And if it was your mother or your loved one that was in the hospital, you would want them to be cared by someone that really had the skills and the talent and the resources to do so.
Our issues as nurses need to be taken seriously. And in order to create the type of change that we want to see, improving the ability to provide care to our patients, improving the healthcare system, we need to make sure that our nurse voices are heard by politicians and those running for office, so they know what's important to us as nurses, and so that when we elect them, that they actually create that change that actually does make a better healthcare system for our patients and for our profession.
Join the movement and help bring safe staffing and other issues that affect nurses into the national spotlight. Visit valuecarevaluenurses.com.